used to land in Cochin and I used to see those huge, big hoardings of the handsome-looking, the mega star of Mammootty. I was like, wow, he is so handsome. I really want to act with him. So Mamuka suddenly said, he didn't say give it to Neha or give it to Susan. He said, give it to Punjabi Mole. I was like, wow, it sounded so cute, the way he said give Punjabi Mole. എനിക്ക് മലയാളം കുറച്ച് അറിയാം. എനിക്ക് അധികം മലയാളം അറിയില്ല. എല്ലാം മനസ്സിലായി. Okay, I'll say, മനസ്സിലായി. They'll ask me, മനസ്സിലായി? I'll say, yeah, full മനസ്സിലായി. Two different personalities, Mamuka and Mohanlal sir. They know how to respect art and how to respect artists. I think that's the reason we call them legendary actors, Bhavna, you are a very strong girl. Really, I must praise and I must say heads off to your efforts, the strength what you have shown to fight back. Whatever happened, it should not break you. It should in fact make you more strong. You are already strong, darling. They just say, Chechi, don't go back to Bangalore. Please stay in Kerala only. We need you, Chechi. Please do more films in Malayalam industry. And I'm proud that now I am also a 75% Malayali. Hi everybody, this is your Neha Saxena. I'm here today with the India Glitz team to share my life experiences, whether it's personal and professional. So here we go. Whenever I used to land in Cochin and I used to see those huge, big hoardings of the handsome-looking, the mega star of Mammootty, I was like, wow, he is so handsome. I really want to act with him. One day I just got a call that there is an ad shoot happening with Mamuka, and the title is Mamuka with 20 Beauties. So, Neha, if you are interested, you need to drive down, or, you have to come, you have to be here tomorrow morning. I said, because I thought that it's a chance for me. See, the small steps only makes you reach your beautiful destination. The small step which I took that day, coming all the way from Bangalore to Cochin and to shoot for that magazine, though I was one of the model with the group, but you know what, it was the main person who was the main powerful person, the mega star Mammootty was standing there. So I think that is the reason that it got that power. The mega star power to that mega star with 20 beauties. So I shot for that magazine. There were so many models. There were about you can say 80 models, 70 to 80 models with their parents, with their family, relatives and all that. And it was looking like a wedding hall. Everybody was so grand, dressed in such a grand manner. I was like, what is happening, man? I was the only one who was wearing a yellow color gown. Normal. And somehow, okay, I think I could catch that attention. I really don't know. Right after 3 months of my that ad shoot with Mamuka, I got a call that, hi Neha Saxena, we are from Kasba team and we would like to cast you for Kasba movie along with Mamuka. I was like, and somebody's playing a prank with me. I just disconnected the call and I continued watching my Kuch Kuch Hota Hai movie. Was coming on Sony Max. And then I looked at the phone and I was like, was somebody really joking? Again, I got a call after 15 minutes. And I'm like, hi, I'm George here. I'm Mamuka's manager and all that. Then I spoke to George Ayton, and George Ayton was so humble and kind, and he told me, Neha ji, kindly send your few pictures in sari, this and that, and this is a character for Susan. If you would like to come down, we would like to meet you. The team would like to meet you. Trust me, the minute I disconnected the call, 2 minutes I just looked around, that hope number, nobody's watching me, and I started jumping in the entire room, What? So, it's like a dream come true. It's like a dream come true. And I just asked one of my friends if he can tag along with me. I took 2 of them and I went to the location. And I see a golden color 369, I think so. Caravan parked there and my heart started pounding. Tick, 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 After that, I met him. I met the director, I met the producer, cameraman, the entire team of Kasba. They were so humble, they were so welcoming. You know, they gave me that strength and that motivation. Neha, don't worry, though Malayalam is a tongue twisting language, but you can do it. And really, whatever happened, it happened because of my Kaspa team. You know, that Susan name which is born, it is all because of my Kasba team and the megastar Mammootty sir. I really want to say thanks to the entire team of Kasba for giving me that break in Malayalam industry. And then you saw me in Mundri Valigal as Julie with the complete actor Lalayton. Again, a very, very humble person. Two different personalities, Mamuka and Mohanlal sir. You know, Lalayton and Mamuka, they're two big names of Malayalam industry, the two great pillars of Mollywood. Trust me, no head weight, no attitude, nothing. They are so professional and they're so welcoming and they're so supportive to their co-stars. I think that's the reason we call them legendary actors, you know, because they know what is real success, because they know what is real hard work, and they know how to respect art and how to respect artists. And I have a lot of respect and lot of regards for both of them, that they both agreed to act along with a newcomer, with a girl, who is an outsider. Really, they both played a major role in my career industry in Mollywood. I really want to say thanks. Thank you so much, Mamuka. Thank you so much, Lalitan.
പുള്ളിടും കള്ളിയാം പുള്ളിമാനെ കൂട്ടിടാൻ പോന്നിടും കൊമ്പനാർ
When we talk about this, yes, I'll tell you a small incident of Kasba set. We were celebrating birthday of one of the technician. I think the makeup man of Mamuka or the toucher boy. I think so. We were celebrating his birthday. I was just standing in the corner. Okay, I'm standing here. Here he's cutting the cake, and here is Mamuka. We all are standing. So Mamuka suddenly said, he didn't say give it to Neha or give it to Susan. He said, give it to Punjabi Mole. I was like, wow, it sounded so cute, the way he said, give Punjabi Mole. Then I asked them, what is this mole? They said, it's like, small baby like that. It means, the amount of love I'm getting over here, it makes me really very emotional. I'm an outsider. I have come from Dehradun. I'm a Punjabi. But somewhere now I started feeling Kerala is becoming my own house, my own home place, my hometown. Because people are very welcoming here. They're very supportive. They're very loving. They just say, Chechi, don't go back to Bangalore. Please stay in Kerala only. We need you, Chechi. Please do more films in Malayalam industry. So I think that gives me a confidence that yes, people are loving me and people are loving my acting. And I have a lot of hopes from this Malayalam movie, which I'm doing my third one, Saga Vinde Priyasakhi, because in this movie you're going to see me full flesh throughout. 57 scenes. Neha Saxena is all there as your Rohini. This is a female-oriented subject which is based on a Kannur politics, and I'm playing a communist widow character in this as Rohini. Movie is, we have almost finished, like 30-day schedule is over. We have another 1 week, 10 days to go, and April we are expecting for the release. So looking forward for the same support and love from you guys.
പൊൻപുത്തിരികൾ കത്തുകയായി ഉള്ളിൽ ഈരമേതോ വീഞ്ഞായി പോകുന്നു
Oh my God, flirting with Lalayton. Oh my God, his each and every part, like his eyes, his nose, his lips, his finger, everything acts, and that is so beautiful. That is really commendable. That's so nice. I was supposed to be flirting with him as Julie, and there's the bus scene, where I fall on him, and he'll be like, okay, that thing. Wow, so beautifully he did it. His expressions just said it all. I was really very nervous, but again, like a very well professional person, he made me very calm. He said, Neha, don't worry, you will do it. I'll explain you the situation. This is the situation, just be very natural. Be very natural. It gave me a lot of confidence. It actually motivated me, because even though if you have done 100 films, when you are acting with the legendary actors, you become like a fresher. Trust me, because their experience, their presence around you itself make you, they have that, their aura speaks a lot about them. And that's what I felt when I was acting, even with Mamuka, even with Lalitan. Their aura has got something really very special. Very special. Seriously. And they both were seriously very good. Very good. When it comes to like that emotional Susan of Kasbah, crying, she's completely in tears sitting inside the jeep with Mamuka and expressing, those emotions. So there also, Mamuka made me very comfortable. He said, don't worry, relax, don't get scared, don't be hesitated. Similarly, Lalitan also, don't worry, you'll be able to do it. So wow, what a support, when you get with such big actors. Your life becomes really easy. You can easily act in front of the camera. So really heads off to both of them. Nyan Malayalam? Okay. എനിക്ക് മലയാളം കുറച്ച് അറിയാം. എനിക്ക് അധികം മലയാളം അറിയില്ല. But whenever somebody is talking, എല്ലാം മനസ്സിലായി. Okay, I'll say, മനസ്സിലായി. They'll ask me, മനസ്സിലായി? I'll say, yeah, full മനസ്സിലായി. So I started understanding now. You can say 80% of Malayalam I can understand when somebody is talking to me. But while responding back, it will be like, what do you say? It will be Manglish, or I don't know what it will be. I'm learning, and it's during the dialogue delivery. Yes, it's very easy because you get your script in advance, so you can just rehearse your dialogues and you can say it. But I'm hoping and I'm wishing that I should start speaking in Malayalam more and more, so that when I give my interviews, I should be able to get connected with more audience, more Malayali audience, because I want to talk in your language, and I want to see how you people will like it, a Punjabi talking a Malayalam. I hope you people will love it. So very shortly, I will definitely learn Malayalam, and I will speak to all of you in Malayalam.
நான் ஒரு பொண்ணை லவ் பண்றேன்னு தான் சொன்னேன், ஆனா நீன்னு சொல்லல.
ஒரு பொண்ணை காதலிக்கிறேன்னு சொன்ன உனக்கு யாரை காதலிக்கிறேன்னு சொல்ல தைரியம் வரல.
And a special message to my dearest friend Bhavna. Bhavna, you are a very, very strong girl. Really, I must praise and I must say heads off to your efforts, the strength what you have shown to fight back with all the odds which you faced that night. Really, you showed a lot of courage to come up and to speak about the issues. Please remember one thing, we all are there with you. You are a wonderful artist, you are a wonderful human being. Whatever happened, it should not break you, it should in fact make you more strong. You are already strong, darling. That's the reason you had that, you could come up and speak about the problem. So become more strong and face the world. Please, we want to see you back on the screen. As 2 days back I read the news that you will be joining Prithvi Raj sir's movie set very shortly, within a week. Hoping to see you soon on screen and wishing you all the very best. And now it should be, now I want to see you shining without any tension in your life. What happened, it was past. That's it. You're going to grow more and more in your life. You're a wonderful person. And we love you, we all love you, and I love you. Lot of love and lot of courage to you and lot of positive energy.
എനിക്ക് ബാക്കി കൂടി കാണണം.
ബാക്കിയൊന്നുമില്ല. ഇപ്പോഴും കരച്ചിൽ, ഇത് കഴിഞ്ഞാലും കരച്ചില്. ഈ പെണ്ണുങ്ങളുടെ കരച്ചിൽ കാരണം വീട്ടിൽ കയറാൻ പറ്റാതെ.
Yes, definitely. See, when we talk about see, that's what I told you. Realistic cinema. Malayalam films are completely very realistic. Very family oriented. You bring the complete family together to the theater, and that's a very good thing. When the entire family sit in the theater and they watch together, so it's like it's a family movie. It's not some scenes here and there, all that. So moreover, it's like a realistic cinema, and not. And the best part is like heroines never gets exploited on screen, all those short dresses or too much of makeup or something. Women here look so special and so beautiful, so graceful in that beautiful Kerala sari, less makeup, that grace, that God blessing. So I think there are many reasons, and technicians, especially in Malayalam industry, I experienced, they're really very good. Oh my God, they're very brainy, very, very brainy. And the actors, especially you see in most of the national award winning or state award winning actors, the artist, you have it from Malayalam industry. So I must say, Malayalam industry, I think in Kerala we have a lot of talent. We have a lot of brainy people here deep down south. So proud of you guys, Malayalis. And I'm proud that now I am also a 75% Malayali. I really like Manju Warrior Chechi. Manju Chechi is like, I really like her. And I'm really waiting for her, this Saira Banu movie which is coming up. Day before yesterday, I saw that post was the first look which they have released, and it was really very appealing, and I'm really waiting. It is done by RJ Shan, and I'm waiting for that. I have met Manju Chechi once in Crown Plaza. She's very graceful, very nice, very humble again, very down to earth, and very polite, but very welcoming. And she told me, Neha, all the very best. Means, again, means a fan girl met her star, and the way she gave me a lot of blessings, a lot of good wishes, I felt really nice. I really like Manju Chechi. Okay, audience, I have only one thing to tell you all. I'm here today sitting right in front of you all because of you guys. You made me whatever I am today. Yes, definitely my hard work is there, but accepting me as an artist, accepting me in your heart is done by you all. So I want to say one thing. Amount of love, amount of blessings you people have always given me, keep giving it, keep blessing me, keep loving me the same way, keep supporting me, and I make a promise that I'll keep entertaining you all in a wonderful manner on screen. So that's it, and thank you so much, Malayalam industry. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I just don't have words to say how blessed, how honored, how, I don't know, every good word, everything good, every good blessing I feel when I say I'm a part of Mollywood industry. That's it. Thank you so much. Thank you.